I'm going to clean her skin. She has a dry skin too. This is like a double cleansing. You really remove those debris from your skin.
What do you recommend to remove makeup?
Makeup.
Like a time of the day?
If you have acne, the best foundation to use is Clinique. Because Clinique has this, their foundation has also like a combination of also to prevent you from having like pimples. So Clinique is the best. And before makeup, you have to hydrate your skin first. Wash your face, put a lot of moisturizer before you put foundation. And then there is like a base before the primer. When I used to do makeup on myself, I clean my face and then I put a moisturizer or serum. I use serum. And then moisturizer and primer. Why? You're blocking your skin from the foundation. Then use the foundation that are liquid, you know. So and most of the foundation right now are liquids already. Before you have to wet the thing and then
Cake. Yeah,
the
before
cake
there's a
one I
cake.
used to have that. Like so use the liquid and then when you use the liquid, put on here and then just tap, just a little bit. And then press it with your
Sponge.
sponges. Don't like rub. Just tap like that. And then after that, don't put too much sealer because you add a lot of get the foundation that it's already it's gonna cover your skin. Don't put too much like bronze or something like that. It's too much for your skin, and later on you're gonna pigment. I'm gonna mask her skin because we don't do much of extractions. So since she has like kinda acne, I'll be using my salicylic toner to prevent her from producing more acne. So these are the salicylic, 7%, and using the so this is the model mask.
It's like
Mhm.
what's that for?
It's a mask.
That's the mask.
You should go.
Once it's dry, like became
Hardened.
hardened,
You can
like
then
right
roll
now
it
it's
out.
still wet.
So what do you do next?
Use my strong chemical peel.
But this is a light peel. This is glycolic.
It's a mix of glycolic, lactic. You don't wash your face for 2 days. That's it.
So we keep the peel on.
She grabs
Okay,
by the
for
edges.
2 days.
How many days?
2 days you can't wash
2
the
days.
face.